Oh, we figured we would let the kids shoot the 22 a little bit.
Boom!
Well guys, we got an interesting video today. We're gonna make some breakfast while we're out hunting. You can see it's pretty foggy around. So I'm gonna make some food. I'll show it to you here in a second. All right, so we're gonna try some survival food. This one is supposed to be like porridge, so can't be that difficult. We get all the time. We have some milk, and then we have some macaroni we'll probably do for lunch. So I'm gonna get going on this. Here's my cooker. Boil some water up, bowls. Nothing difficult, right? All right, here's my little cooker going. It's supposed to be 4 servings. Let's see how that does. The milk, not gonna mix yet. I'm just gonna mix it up in here a little bit. Curious how that milk tastes. Not sure what to think about the milk yet. We'll taste it in a second. See if that's something we want to be putting in our hot cereal. I just want to see if it's, you know, tolerable, I suppose. It looks pretty watery right now. Maybe it'll warm our hands up. Let's turn them up a little bit. Water's not steaming yet, so fog's lifted a little, but it started raining.
Yeah, I'm gonna go back into the truck.
Watching water boil's never that entertaining. I didn't bring my GoPro, so I don't have my little tripod thing for it to show you guys. Seam of my truck is drippy. Might have to tighten some more bolts down. Ooh. I think we're ready. I'm gonna pour this out. Hopefully I made enough water.
Oh, shit. I think that middle one needed a bit more.
Yeah, I think so too. Should look like good oats though.
Mm-hmm.
If only we had some coffee. Get some instant coffee. Had enough water in there left. Look up. All right, I'm gonna stir this up a little bit. I think that one probably could use a little more water too. This actually looks way better than Quaker. It's a good size oats. That one looks like it has so much sugar.
I think they were.
Maybe. All right, so the milk, delicious. I'd drink that a lot. I'd have cereal with that. That was really surprisingly good for powdered milk. And the porridge, oatmeal, whatever you want to call it, it's really hard to screw that up, and they're obviously good. The oats were huge. Looks like a good cereal. So far I would say the breakfast was a win.
So this isn't sponsored. I had bought this from Walmart and wanted to try it while I was hunting. I was pleasantly surprised because I've tried some other survival food, and this was the best I've tried so far. So we've got a couple more things to try. I hope to see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.